Today we have a new Audi SQ8 2025 model. Now the problem with this, it comes with a gigantic mounting box. It's way too big for Australian plates. So I'm going to help you show you how to shrink this down to something like this. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is take off a number plate that's on there. Then you got to take this off. You'll notice that there's 2 screws here. You pop them out, they look like this. There are 4 more screws behind it, which you need to reach in with a little small ratchet tool. And the best way to do that is put your hands, and hopefully they're small, through the grill, and you better reach in, and they'll be just located in 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin them off, they'll look the same, and then that will just drop. With the factory mounting box off, now we can install our miniature plinth. They just locate into the factory holes there. You will need to mark those holes out with a texter before you drill it out. We've also got some blanking covers to cover up all these little rectangle spots and also the extra hole on the side too. Right, we've got the gigantic mounting box off and we've shrunk it down to that. Now it's time to choose a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. What that means is if you have, say, a European plate, grab yourself a European number plate bracket from us. We're installing slimlines on this car, so we're going to grab our slimline bracket and that will just attach to the plinth and then your plate can go straight on. There you have it. We've removed the big oversized box on the Audi SQ8 with our delete kit and our number plate mounting system. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.